Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Centerton local and long-distance movers near me. Centerton, Arkansas is known to be a safe place for its resident population, which is currently 17,455. It was formerly a fruit orchard area with a popular railroad stop in the 20th century. However, the narrative is changing gradually as the city is among the fastest growing in Arkansas. The median household income for Centerton, Arkansas is $92,267. To relocate to Centerton, Arkansas quickly, you need to hire the services of a professional mover. They will help provide tips and help plan the move effectively without stress. Let us walk you through the guide on selecting the best Centerton, Arkansas mover in 2023. 3 Movers is a moving company with professional Centerton, Arkansas local movers to help you relocate seamlessly. Our team of experts goes through a series of interviews before the final selection, making us hire the best in the city. Also, we organize training and sponsor them for seminars to upgrade their skills. Our local movers perform their services with professionalism at its peak. A good reason why you should hire us for your move is because our services are affordable. We offer various flexible services with the freedom to choose the specific areas you need assistance with. After choosing, we will work with you to plan and ensure everything is in place for the move. Our past clients are constantly referring us to others due to the quality of service we offer, which is still our practice. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Centerton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online form.